on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you.
It's the afternoon, currently on my way to Sally's house to get my nails done because it's freaky time. Yesterday was the content day. Me and Autumn took pictures. I will be inserting those. We got some fire pics. I'm so happy and I'm so proud of my first content day. It was really great, so I'm happy. Yes, it looked like she actually still with the client, so I'm just gonna keep going and I'm gonna turn around because I don't want to park on the street. Also, shout out to my sister Sally, also my nail tech. Congratulations to you and your beautiful family on your new home. I'm so happy. I'm so proud. I know y'all been saving for a while for y'all home, and I'm just so happy that you were finally able to accomplish something that that you wanted to do for you and your family. So this is gonna be my first time at the new house, at the new spot, okay? And I'm happy. I'm super happy, and I'm super proud, and I just can't wait for the parties because y'all know Mexicans don't nobody party like the motherfucking Mexicans, okay? I still miss that taco man she had at her party that one year. Yeah, so anyways, y'all, I'll bring y'all in so y'all can see the little fill in because I really don't know. I'm gonna let her freestyle again. I don't know what I'm gonna get it. I don't know what I want, but yeah, so I'll hit y'all up later. For the most part, I think we're supposed to be going to the fireworks this evening. Rochester fireworks. I'm not really sure. But
I'm talking things for better now. Things for better now. Oh, we been down. Oh, this is my regular. I'm talking things for better now.
done getting to the nails. Okay, it's like 2 hours later or so.
Hello, YouTube.
Scoot your head over here a little bit, babe. Okay, there you go. We're currently on our way to my mom's house because we're about to pick her and my brother up, and we're about to go to the Rochester fireworks. So I'm so excited. I'm also starving, but I brought me some pineapples, y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all an update before we got there and before I started driving, because my tripod, yes, his window is all the way down. Like, he's crazy. Huh? What'd you say?
I want to say I love doing YouTube channels.
You love
I like recording YouTube.
You like recording YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay. That mean you want to be on the camera more often?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. You said I love it. Okay, can you move your head over so that they can see you? See your face? Yeah. Okay, the camera is shaking, of course. It's probably gonna fall. Ooh, baby. Don't hit those corners so hard.
Y'all are gonna see the fireworks too.
Yeah, they are. Definitely gonna show some fireworks. What else you want to say, babe, before I cut it off? Let's roll that up. Ooh, my ear. Nothing else?
And also we're going on vacation.
I was literally just about to say, you don't want to talk about vacation? We go on vacation in a few weeks. What you think about the vacation? You excited? Yeah. Y'all, he loves Florida. We're going back.
That's because pools are cool.
Pools are cool. When I...
New
And new bedrooms, yeah, we had a lot of bedrooms in that house. We're gonna have a lot in this one too. Yeah, when I buy our house,
It's gonna be so much bedrooms in this house.
yeah, when I buy our house, hopefully we get to have a pool. Fingers crossed. Let me see him. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Put him in the camera. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. There we go. Yes, me and my baby gonna have us a nice house. It's gonna be so nice. I'm so excited for us, son. You excited for us? Speaking our future into existence. Okay. Well, anyway, we about to pull up to
And
my mama.
also I'm gonna do a backflip into the pool. But with glass, but
You don't have on goggles.
yeah, if you buy me some,
Of course I will, son. Of course I'll buy you some. You
a
already
whole
know.
goggle for a mouth, some eyes, and a nose. Just like our last vacation when we were in that hotel.
When we was in Vegas?
Yeah, in that hotel.
Yeah. The pool was nice. The hotel was trash. Would not recommend.
The hotel was good.
Okay.
Hello.
Jesus. Back up. Kai, what's happening? You gonna hurt me.
I'm gonna sit on you.
That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. Don't even do it. I'll push out this car.
I'm closing the door.
I'm recording for YouTube. You wanna say hi?
I will. Huh?
Kai, watch out.
I wanna close it.
No, you don't wanna say hi? Why? Raina, come say hi.
She's shy.
No, she not.
Yeah, she is.
She be on TikTok and everything.
Huh?
And she be recording YouTube videos.
She
Come say hi.
She's shy at yours. Not
Jeez.
hers.
That's crazy. I don't know what she acting shy. Here got my pineapples, y'all. Relax. Here got my pineapples. I'm gonna have to pour the juice out though because that's just gonna be too messy.
Yeah.
Y'all not going to the fireworks?
Watch out.
Get down, please.
I don't know.
Oh,
My mama said she might.
but she don't know. Minutes until the fireworks start. We've been sitting here for like 2 hours and I did vlog because it was just, you know, I was chilling. Uh-oh. Me and Kai. Say hi, babe. You excited? They about to start in a few minutes. Here, we got to get these Cheetos. Uh-oh. Gigi Cheetos. Take her that back.
Cheetos!
Okay, them Gigi's.
Oh.
This is, yeah, this is a trash bag.
Mommy.
We got to close it softly, okay? Slowly.
Why?
Because we be slamming hard. We went to Family Dollar because my mom wanted to get a cooler and a chip. She ain't find a chip. We had chip anyway. Say hey, brother.
Hey, I'm better than all of y'all. Remember that.
Y'all know how brothers are, okay? It is what it is. Anyways, this is my cooler I got for $3. We got ice and pudding. Ew, and it's leaking through, but it was only $3. I don't expect much. This is my scene. Here's my family. We're sitting up here. Well, we're actually at Walgreens. Where they at? They in this bag. Okay, hold on. We're gonna go to the chair. This is my view. The fireworks are gonna be right behind me, but these are our chairs and stuff. As y'all can see, there's people over there. It's traffic. Traffic's people right there. It's packed, y'all. Hey, how's it going? Huh? Oh, I'm vlogging. Sorry. Yes. Family.
I ain't never got my pussy guns on.
What is that? She crazy. Kai, come right here, babe. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Lord, right, son. It's all right. Here, just sit here. What's wrong? I'm trying to calm down. Good morning, boos. It is currently Friday and it is July 1st, y'all. Can y'all believe it is already July 1st? Like, that is just crazy to me. Like, time just go by so fast. Like, don't even get me started on the whole time. Don't even. They talk about opening portals, all type of stuff going on in the world, y'all. Stay safe. What did I get on here to say? I just pulled up to the gym, y'all. I came to the gym last night around 6 o'clock. Got me a workout in. And I'm back because Kai is at home. And I'm like, why not get up and just go to the gym before my clients? So... Anyways, I just ate like a few graham crackers because I tend to come here and get straight to it. Like, I don't eat, I don't drink nothing. Like, I have my water and then I be in there about to die, feeling lightheaded, or by the time I leave, I'm ready to eat, and that's not what we want. So I did take a few graham crackers and I ate them on the way here, and they were good, and I feel great. So y'all, it look like it's about to rain up out here today in Michigan. It's been hot, y'all. Michigan ain't been messing around with us. I got my gym bag. It's just the extra backpack I found in my old car, and I just kept it because I got a kid and he might need a backpack. But turns out I just ended up using it as my gym bag a year and a half later, which I am gonna get a new gym bag. It's gonna be cute, pink, and girly. Y'all know me. But for right now, this is my gym bag, and I'm just about to get currently at the nail shop so me and my mommy can get our toes done.
Drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you?
So welcome back. It is currently Saturday, July 2nd. I'm looking crazy. It's okay. I gotta listen, y'all. It's a big day. Today is Chania'S and Jacob's wedding. So congratulations to Chania and Jacob. I'm so excited. So excited to my congratulations, girl. My childhood friend. Like, we literally grew up together. I love you, and I'm just so happy for you, and I ask that God continue to bless you in your union. I just wanted y'all to basically come along with me while I get ready. Actually, I'm not gonna record the process because I really just gotta get ready and like not be late because the doors open at 3:30. But I did want to show y'all my outfit. So I have my shoes right here, my bag. How cute is this, y'all? Just got it from Fashion Nova. My dress and my bag both came from Fashion Nova. Look at it, y'all. And I caught a sale. So freaking cute. I love the design of it. Like the it's given Matrix. Like, I don't know, I just love it. So cute and classy. And I needed a silver purse because, I mean, not silver purse, a clear purse. I love the lining of the gold. I love that it has a chain I haven't opened. Still has a tag on it. Nails. Get into the nails. Purse. This is my Hendrix. This is my dress. It's definitely giving. It has a split right here. Definitely loving that. I'm going to be wearing my Marc Jacob Daisy Spring. Y'all, this smells so good. And I just felt like it's just so cute. Like, why not wear it today and show y'all, put in a video. And this is the box. The box that it came in. Boom. So cute, y'all. I am definitely getting into scents and perfumes. Even though I have like bad allergies and certain scents mess with my nose. I think stuff that maybe costs more money just may be more, like, it may be better for me. Like, just because it's just, I don't know. Like, it's just weird, y'all. But, yeah, so I have this. I also have these beautiful earrings. I only really wear them, like, special occasions. I think I wore them for my birthday in Vegas a few years ago. Probably wore them to, like, another wedding type event. Not sure. Just got to the wedding. I am dressed. Makeup done. Just put my lips on. Say hi, sister. Hi. This is my sister Liasia. Giving. Do a spin around for us. Oh, period. Janelle's here.
Oh, sorry.
Give a spin around. Let us do a spin around for us, please. Okay. Thank you. And y'all will see me later. They in a car. Okay. Yeah, they in a car. Okay, everybody brought their flats, period. The girls were walking in. I will add a full body picture in here. Where should I wear? Oh, we going this way. I'm so happy I got these platforms on because they're more comfortable than anything. Congratulations, Chania and Jacob. This is so exciting, y'all. I love weddings. I especially love getting dressed. The split, look at the split. The split is, ooh! The split is giving. You can start to hear the music, but let me focus because I don't want to fall, okay?
I'm talking. Takes for better now. Oh, takes for better now. Oh, way better. Oh, access my regular. I'm talking. Takes for better now. Oh, takes for better. With you, and I'm here.
all types of stuff. This is so cute.
It's Chania'S wedding day.
It's Chania'S wedding.
Congratulations,
Day.
Jacob
Right
and
there. They're
Chania.
right behind us. Oh. Press in, I think. I don't know. So they pick.
I can't.
We're about to take pictures.
No, this is
Let's give it a leg.
again. No, I'm not going. This one's going to be all over the media.
They're doing one more for me.
I was not in the camera. I was with myself. I'm sorry. All right, last one. I'm taking it apart.
Okay. Whoa! And that's a wrap! God.
I'm talking things for better now. Things for better now. Oh, way better now. Oh, access my regular. I'm talking.
Good afternoon, everyone. Whew. It is currently 1:39 in the afternoon, and it is July 3rd. Happy birthday, mommy! Ah! It's my mommy's birthday, y'all. And she is 47 years young, and it's crazy how she did that because I'm 27. She just turned 47 today. So I'm just happy, and so grateful, so blessed that my mom is still here. She's went through a lot, y'all, and I love her to death. Like, don't know what I would do without that lady. Love her, love her, love her. So I hope you have a great birthday. I hope you enjoy your day because you deserve that and so much more. I literally, y'all, I cannot wait to buy my mama a house. I can't wait to take her on the trips that she want to go out. I can't wait to do all that shit, bro. Like, she literally gonna be me and my sister nanny. And she gonna watch her grandkids. Her grandsons, like, that's all she really want to do anyway. So, like, I just can't wait to be in a position to allow her to do what she want to do, which is watch her grandkids, be a nanny, like, literally. So yes, I love you, mommy. We going to Florida at the end of this month, which is not really a birthday trip, it's just a family trip, but still. So what else? I'm about to give me some food, y'all. Every time I come to Taco to get this motherfucking Mexican pizza, it's always sold out. Take the bitch off the menu because y'all keep pissing me the fuck off. Like, for real. Dead ass pissing me off with this shit. Why did y'all say y'all was bringing it back if every location I go to? Bitch, I was in Rochester the other day, pulled up for my mama. Or I think my brother wanted something. We was at the fireworks. They was out too. Y'all don't have it nowhere. Y'all don't have it nowhere. Take it off. Get it out of here. Anyways, I gotta go to the grocery store really quick to grab some things for tomorrow and to grab some stuff for the house because we ain't got too much of nothing, y'all. So I think I want to make some spaghetti for dinner tonight because I'm craving it. I'm gonna make some deviled eggs for tomorrow for the 4th of July. Of course, we're gonna be at my mom's. Probably some brownies. I don't know. When I get to the store, I'll figure that out. I don't really know what I want to do, but I'm doing deviled eggs for sure. They love brownies. I might make brownies, but if I make brownies, I gotta make the kind with nuts and without nuts. So that's that. What else? Yeah, yesterday was Chania'S wedding. So much fun, y'all. It was so fun, like so freaking fun. Congratulations, Chania and Jacob. Like, it was so beautiful. Like, it was literally beautiful. And then she's so crazy, bro. She is crazy. It was hot outside, y'all. It was that hot because we was in the shade. Well, where I said it was shade. But it was hot. Then we got inside and stuff. You know, we had to take our little, it was called a cocktail hour. You know, I went to go smoke a blizzy. And, you know, we took our pictures, got our content, and then that was that. Marquita's in town, period. We're linking this week to do a video, actually, because she gonna be here until next week. If y'all don't know Marquita, y'all should know Marquita. She been in the vlog. We was just at her birthday thing at Pinky's. I think that was last vlog. The vlog before, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, she live in Texas, so she was here for the wedding because she was in the wedding, as y'all seen. And she leaving next week, so we gotta get some content. Like, we gotta link. But yeah, I'm about to head to the grocery store, and then I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene.